Are you struggling to deepen your connection and enhance your intimacy? Welcome to the ultimate guide on making love. Here, we highlight the importance of intimacy, connection, and mutual pleasure. Take your time, communicate, and explore each other's desires. The act of making love is a beautiful expression of affection and unity. It is a dance of two souls intertwining in a symphony of passion and tenderness. Let the rhythm of your bodies guide you, moving in harmony with each breath and heartbeat. Remember to stay present in the moment, cherishing each touch and whisper. Communicate with your partner, both verbally and non-verbally, to deepen your connection. Enjoy the journey together, savoring the intimacy and trust that you build with every shared experience. This is a sacred bond, a celebration of love. Aftercare is just as important as the act itself. It involves comforting and nurturing each other, ensuring both partners feel valued and cared for. This can include cuddling, talking, or simply being close. Aftercare helps to build trust and deepen the emotional connection between partners. It's a time to reflect on the experience, share feelings, and provide reassurance. This practice can vary greatly from couple to couple, but the essence remains the same: to create a safe and loving environment where both individuals feel appreciated and understood. Thank you for joining us on this journey of intimacy and connection. We hope these insights help you and your partner deepen your bond. Remember, communication and mutual respect are key to a fulfilling relationship. As you continue to grow together, cherish the small moments and celebrate the milestones. Always be open to learning and evolving with each other. Love is a continuous journey, not a destination. Keep nurturing your relationship with patience, understanding, and unwavering support. Together, you can create a lasting and meaningful connection that stands the test of time.